Hi, my name is Travis Conrad. I'm head of the Architectural Projects Division for Neolith.
And it's Christopher Grubb. I'm at the International Contemporary Furniture Fair. Now, it's a furniture show, but it's great. There's so many other materials available. Travis, I've used your product. I've used it for kitchen countertops. I've used it for commercial flooring. A lot of people call it porcelain, but you don't refer to it that way. It's an evolution. So talk to me about that.
That's the perfect word that you just used. I would even describe it further as an extreme evolution of porcelain and ceramic as we understand it, because not just the properties and the durabilities of it, but we've been able to take it to a level where it's a scale that's no longer a tile, it's a slab now. We're talking 5 feet by 10 feet or 4 feet by 12 feet. Which is substantially larger than what you'd call maybe a jumbo tile.
But the look of it, especially when you're reducing grout lines, it's brilliant for contemporary look.
Yeah, absolutely. And it's perfectly flat and perfectly smooth. It's not like a traditional porcelain where you have imperfections in it through the manufacturing process.
How many total finishes do you have?
So we've got about 40 or 50 different colors, but then you start multiplying when you consider that we have about 5 different textures as well too.
So it's a little bit of product.
A little bit, a couple SKUs. Yeah.
So it's house tipster, so a lot of times, it is a product I've used on residential, but what should people consider when they're specifying it? Some tips on installing it?
Well, first I'll emphasize by saying that that's the difficult hurdle to always overcome, because first people ask, well, what is it? Well, is it porcelain? It's a little bit more complicated than that. What do I use it for? Well, everything,
right,
because there is no real limitation to it. It comes in varying thicknesses so that it can be a veneer, like you mentioned, or a tile, or a countertop. But the most important thing I would say to use it, it's a beautiful product, but use it for its durability. I mean, the sense of the matter is this is set it and forget it material. Whether we're talking about commercial floors that are going to be under a high amount of traffic, kitchen countertops, commercial countertops, it's best suited when you understand that its use is for its durability.
Right. No, you're absolutely right. Kitchen countertops, you can't cut it. I mean, using knives on it, and the durability is
You can sharpen your knife on it.
You sharpen your knife on it. Oh,
yeah.
I can save. I don't have to get a new knife sharpener. That's brilliant.
Yeah.
So, new friends from Spain. You've won some awards as well.
Yep.
Tell us about some of the awards. It's really impressive.
Sure. Well, Neolith Sintered Stone partnered with a company called Purity. And what they are is a company that uses a mineral called titanium dioxide. And to keep it simple, it's basically a pollution scrubber. Basically, every 50 square feet of roughly a sheet does the equivalent of taking 1 car off the road.
Really?
Yeah. So every time we use it on exterior environments, we're actually able to promote the fact that this building is actually cleaning pollution in the city.
In the city, out exterior. That's amazing. That's really amazing. Great contributions.
Yeah.
So where can people find out more information on the product and learn more about the technology and how it's created? And
locally, you can go down to your local distributor. You can visit neolith.com. Find out who your local distributor and dealers are and see it actually in application, or maybe even visit the slabs that you'll be putting in your home one day.
Travis, thank you again for making the time to introduce us more to the product. I'm familiar with it, and I hope you have a great rest of the show.
Great, thank you for stopping by.
Thank you. Thank you.
Cheers.